We just got in our room. You can take the camera.
Hey, alright, we're gonna go show. So this is gonna be way, because we're just all taking it in, so this is gonna be like not formulated at all. Where are the light switches so you can actually kind of see better? So we got this from the ganache. We haven't opened it yet, but we wanted to show you the wrapping before we opened it. We got a little letter here too. Here is the cake that my mom asked for Anna's birthday. It's got right at this table with this amazing view here. Let me see so the camera will expose. Look at that. Look at that view. The contemporary, there's Magic Kingdom, there's the monorail. It's way, so I can see it, but you can't see. The monorail's going by there. Look at, someone's calling. All right, Kiki. You want Kona, you want your...
You're Mickey?
Are you tired? No, you're not tired.
Oh.
All right.
All right. We got a little gift basket here. So let's see what's going on. Wow. Welcome back to Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. We wish you a memorable visit with us. Let us know if it's anything, if there may be anything else we can do to make your stay more magical. Warm regards, the Grand Floridian.
Ganachery.
The ganachery.
The ganachery.
The ganachery.
This is a group of people that have not had food.
This is gonna go away very quickly.
So, I would like to point out that we were supposed to eat at
Cabanas. Oh, no.
2 o'clock today. And we ate at 8 a.m.
We made it.
It is now 7:42. We might be a little hungry.
What a letter from
You already read the letter.
Right on the letter. What do we got?
What is that?
Chocolates.
Oh, it just says the ganache.
Unlabeled. Are you opening up my crap?
Mickey and Minnie chocolate.
Oh. What's
Put it
that?
in a bag. Probably
Is this our
coffee.
reference for whatever?
What's that? Coffee?
I don't know.
That's like a...
It tells me what comes.
Oh, what is?
A little bar? Yeah, a bark.
Bark.
What's that?
Wow.
Ooh, that's fancy.
That's super fancy.
Handmade chocolate.
This is a
Uh-oh.
new, oh, holy crap. It's a magnetic box.
What? Oh, you mean the box. Kona, I know you want to eat all of it, but hold on just a second.
Double wrapped.
We got more
Somebody's
wrapping.
new,
I know you're excited, Kona.
What'd you say?
I don't want to break that seal. I guess I am.
You have to. They're
What do you
forcing
say?
you.
He said he wants to know why they're taking
Oh.
Whoa! Look at this one.
Here's our sheet for reference.
Those look so freaking fancy.
All right,
Oh,
but
look
this is
at
gonna make me
that.
sick if I don't eat something soon. So I gotta go. We're gonna go get.
Oh
food.
no. Yes, chocolate. The only food I've had all day.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh. Oh, he said, give me some more.
I need that again.
You can't get his whole face.
Okay, Bubba. Let's go.
Oh, can you take him? You just- Did you like that, Kona?
Go get your room checked in.
This is something else. Kona, isn't this something else?
Let's go see Uncle E's room.
Oh, is this my
I'll
room?
give you your phone back.
Where's the light switch? Where's the light?
Oh, look. Y'all can share with Uncle E.
Oh, here's the light.
This ain't bad. Y'all can just sleep.
Oh, this ain't bad? Mine. This is amazing.
Oh, this is actually a comfortable bed.
Food right now.
Okay.
Kona.
Your parents are taking you away.
Oh boy. Whoa, look at this. Look at this mirror. Look at this. All right, our suites here at the Grand Floridian actually is a fireworks view. So we're going on the balcony here to look at the fireworks. Now it's a little bit of a tight squeeze for my dad, so I'm to get him up to get him through. We're all wearing our robes here, as you can see. Grant and Lily just walked in the door though, so they're not wearing their robes. They're not in the Grand Floridian spirit, unfortunately. We've also got our slippers on here. Oh, Daddy. Oh, I forgot. We put slippers on Daddy. So me, my mom, my dad are all wearing our slippers and our robes here. But the show's starting now.
Oh, we have to go somewhere else to hear the music. But we'll hear
Daddy,
it on the-
Mommy. There's a thing poking into Daddy.
What?
Your dad said something.
It's better than the Wilderness Lodge, ain't it?
You can go behind Dad.
Huh?
Can you see, Greg?
Oh dang, the camera's fogging up.
Of course.
Oh, I see back here.
Does it pick them up right?
It's actually kind of cool looking.
Wow.
It's been less than
So
10
it's
years, I
Tinker Bell's
said.
lying down like
Hold
the
on.
commonality between all the different shows.
Oh, I
Oh,
missed it.
grand finale.
There we go.
There it is. Oh, look.
Woo! Don't lick that Kona. So anyway, we're about to head in the parks when we notice that there is the character van in front of our resort, and Pluto and Goofy are here. I'm glad Colin's not the kind to cry. Thanks so much.
Yeah, hey. What is that face for? Oh, you say peekaboo. You say peekaboo. Oh, you say thank you. So look at this. Yeah. Oh, ready for a picture? You want to take a picture? Yeah, let's take a picture. Let's see that.
Kona.
Go on,
Kona.
look, huh? That? Oh, it's so sweet. Okay.
Okay. We tap the magic band and it let us press the button, so we're gonna see where we end up. It might just be the rooms, but Kona's very eager to see what's happening.
Okay.
Here we go.
There's someone right there. Like, what are you doing here?
Yeah. Come on.
Alright, so it's a lounge area. It's very nice up here. There's the rooms.
That's cast members.
I mean, it's a nice area.
Well, it'll be a concierge lounge. Oh wow! Imagine the
Holy,
fireworks
this
view
is,
from here.
wow. This is high up.
Yeah, it is. Imagine the fireworks view from right
Oh,
there.
thanks.
What is that?
Like it's right, it would be right there. This would
What do you think that is?
Spot.
What?
Security camera?
Where am I looking?
Babe, look. Right
What?
there. You can see
Oh,
the
wow.
fireworks perfectly from here.
Yeah. But we can also see them perfectly from our room, so.
But this is awesome.
Yeah. I wonder if they'd play the music in here, though. Alright, so we were up here. We found this set of stairs. We saw a little lounge area. Oh, there is like a little bar situation. Okay. This definitely used to be something. What it is now, I do not know. But there's like TVs for kids to watch shows on. We're trying to determine, so we're staying in like, well, we're staying in this building right here. They're staying in like an ultra suite. I don't know what the actual name of it's called, but we have firework views and all, so.
You see all the stuff right there. I think where you check in and whatnot.
One more floor then?
I guess so. There's just some rooms in here.
So we've determined that this at least used to be something. I mean, this was obviously something at some point, but
Something below us too.
we chose the wrong time to be concierge, didn't we? Alright, we're going one more floor.
For no real reason. This is just where you check in.
Whoa. Checking for what though?
For the concierge. We got a little nice balcony here.
Yeah, so we do have access to up here, but there is nothing up here currently. So I'm going to assume that's a COVID thing, and we chose the wrong time to be concierge.
We didn't choose this time.
Ian, we chose the wrong time. Can we at least access the deck? Is it locked? Oh, not locked.
Just a push.
What if we get locked out here? I'm going to hold the door. I mean, it's nice, but there's also a tree directly blocking the view of the fireworks. So you can't watch fireworks from here. It's just a nice place to eat, but it's also 100 million degrees out.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I guess if we wanted to, we could come bring our sandwiches up here or something, you know? We have made it to the Grand Floridian pool.
Yeah, my mom.
It is so nice here. Kona's loving it. Ian, how was your lobster thing?
It was alright.
What was it?
It was like little like
Diana just has
bits
to write
of
her
lobster
letters,
and
so she
almost
knows
like
how
a
to
slaw
do, but she needs
situation.
someone to know how to do
And,
it.
Okay.
fun.
I literally cannot help you.
There wasn't that much lobster
Holding
compared
your
to
hand,
the.
writing the letters for you. So they're
Was
all
your lobster
crying.
burger better last night?
Oh yeah.
You just need to go
Egg
outside.
donuts, the hand
Take a
people.
first ride. Yeah. Tell Bryson.
There is no age restriction on the slide, so we're going up.
We're the only adults.
It's fine. Just keep your feet up at the end. It said the bottom is 3 feet.
It's only 5-year-olds. I'm not going.
On an abandoned ship. Continuing on. The view from the top of the slide of the arguing children. Here we go. Oh. Nope. I hit my elbow pretty hard at the bottom of the slide. It was very shallow. He says I have the power.
I can grab it.
Oh. It's like the bestest toy ever.
Kona.
Is that your fire hydrant? Back to this one.
I go get you. I go get you. Oh, careful, Bubba. Stick his head straight in it. You're gonna careful. No, no, no. We're not biting this. We don't bite this. No, 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 no. Crazy baby.
Oh. At least he's happy with this.
You gonna go get Kiki? And hand the Kiki.
Oh. You can drink that water. Probably need to. We've got the piano guy in the lobby. He hasn't been here yet this whole time we've been staying here. We thought that they had gotten rid of him for COVID, but didn't they for a while?
They did,
Yeah, for a while they weren't playing because of COVID, but it's cool to see him back now playing in the lobby. That's always such a nice addition to this lobby. It just really filled out the space a lot and just kind of really sold this whole Victorian style they're going with here. So it's nice to see him again. Here's the droid that they got from the Build a Droid at Star Wars Land Hollywood Studios. Excuse me, it's the Droid Depot. See, this is why I told you to introduce, because you're just going to correct me.
Okay, how do you...
Head was around like that.
Yeah. That's why we chose this one, because the other one just like goes straight.
I like how everybody ever since that first trailer came out for Force Awakens, people were trying to figure out how this worked, like how the technology for this thing worked, because it was real. And then here we have it. It's like, yeah, it's been out for a while. And Kona's not done. Maybe we can buy a personality for it later. I don't know what it does.
Put him down and go see how it tastes it.
You gonna get the droid?
I don't know what the difference is between this version and the version with the personality, but he has no personality. You just want the Umbrella Man?
Kona.
Personality means
It's
they
gonna
make a
get
bunch of
you, man.
noises.
Yeah, but this has a button that makes noises.
Kona, it's gonna get you.
There, this is wet.
There's
gonna get you.
Maybe. Molly can figure out how to steer it.
Hey, look at your droid.
Oh.
There's Papa Greg. He's got the goods. Hey, droid.
Get it.
Oh, here we go.
You gonna get it?
Maybe.
I'm gonna get you.
You gonna get it?
We're getting Dr. Pepper.
Come on.
Got it instead.
There was literally a droid next to you.
It does not have to do now. Because Ian's foot has been
It's like a Roomba.
It has been defeated. Get it? Defeated. Thank you.
Now your Dr. Pepper donut. Oh, come on, where's your Alexa ball?
Oh, popped its head off.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Usually you have to like find its way back to the magnet, but Ian found it immediately. Look at you. Don't bonk it.
Last night the little girl said, it's okay, you can destroy it, it's fine.
She didn't pay for it.
She said, I know how to put it back together. I just need a screwdriver. Like, okay. Get out of the way, your knee is in the